Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to make two person in different two photos hugging each other in one animation video. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you need to do is install this Pixverse application, and don't worry because this app can be also installed into your Android or the iOS phone and also can be accessed with the PC or website. And right after the installation process is done, then you can simply open it. And don't forget to do the login first with your email because they will give you the several credits up here. And this is the look of the template if you would like to create something with this template or do the experiment. And you can also see the another creations from another user on the home page here. And since we would like to create the hugging animation from two photos, then we will go to the searching section. And after that, I will type the hug together and enter. And this is the template that we will use. You can click use template. And after that, it will direct you into the gallery so that you can choose or select two pictures. For example, I will choose this and this. And after that, you can click finish. And make sure that you have still several credits to go. And after that, you can click create. For this particular animation, it might take longer to do the generation. It might be because of the complexity of the animation. But don't worry guys, I have prepared for you about the result of the animation. When you already click this create, so the notification usually pop up here. But if you missed it, don't worry because you can simply open this notification menu and this is the result of the video guys. So isn't that sweet, right? So you can start to explore and also try this template with your, let's say, with your couple and also with your best friend or your family. And if you would like to download this video, then you can click it. But for the free version, the video will contain the watermark. But if you don't want the watermark, then you can start to purchase their package. It will usually show this. You can click this credit and this is the package if you are interested. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.